It's just a pure and natural beer for you. So icy cold, so crisp, so clean for you.
Of all the beers that are cold filtered, only one has that distinctively clean, crisp taste. Budweiser, cold filtered and beechwood aged for over 110 years.
This Bud's for you.
Lane's Inn Stallion Sire Classic winners. From their first crops, Sovereign Dancer and Sportin' Life, each sired classic winners. Sovereign Dancer, son of leading sire Northern Dancer, and the Bold Ruler Mare Bold Princess, sired Preakness winner Gate Dancer. Sportin' Life, son of leading sire Nijinsky 2 out of Homespun by Round Table, sired Belmont winner Bet Twice, and led the freshman sire list with his first crop. Sovereign Dancer and Sportin' Life, siring classic winners at Lane's Inn Farm, Versailles, Kentucky.
Order Moore's Beer Battered Appetizers at your favorite restaurant or bar.
Come to Barretts for your future racing success. Our selection of March sale 2-year-olds is outstanding. A brand new auction facility, professional sales staff, and experienced consigners will make buying 2-year-olds in training an enjoyable experience. Join us for the official training preview, Saturday, March 3rd. Assure your future racing success. For information, contact Barretts.
Unless a first-time starter has outstanding credentials or is a standout in a weak field, it is difficult to recommend them. They win only 20 to 25% of the time and are usually overbet. They may not be worth the risk.
Learn more from the experts. Call 1-800-255-2001 for How to Win at Thoroughbred Racing, a video guide. That's 1-800-255-2001. Call now. Visa or MasterCard accepted.
When flying is the name of the game, and you don't have any wings, you better have all the right moves. It's World Cup Freestyle from Lake Placid, Friday night at 8 Eastern on ESPN.
Here's the last stop on our tour, the Fountain of Youth.
This one's on me.
How about an ice cold Bud, young man?
I love this job.
Be a winner racing in Illinois. The state's Breeders' Fund program of more than $15.6 million annually provides incentives for all owners and breeders of Illinois registered thoroughbreds. From special stallion owner bonuses and breeder awards to exclusive racing programs, including an average of 2 races daily for Illinois breds and a series of 30 lucrative stakes races. Be part of a winning thoroughbred breeding and racing program. Race in Illinois.
If you weren't part of the New York Racing Association's simulcasting network in 1989, here's some of what you missed.
The entry running 1-2, dancing spree, seeking the goal, closing ground, proper reality, to the wire. Open mind closing, open mind on the outside, gains a lead. It's New York's Easy Goer in front.
Don't miss out in 1990. Call us today.
In the glory days of Rome, Caesar entertained his guests
with the most spectacular sporting events in all the empire. 2,000 years later, he still does. Caesar's Palace. Relive the legend.
A kiss? Oh, not right now. You really don't want to kiss me.
Dangerous. Very dangerous.
Give me a minute, honey.
Don't let morning breath ruin a good morning. Get Scope. Scope has 2 powerful ingredients to kill 90% of the bacteria that cause morning breath.
Didn't I hear something about a kiss?
Right here. Right now.
Kiss me.
It is time for a kiss.
Scope, the best thing first thing in the morning.
Hey, you. Put that kiss right here.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar. Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar.
Got a chocolate crispy taste, gonna make your day. That's why wherever you go, you hear the people say,
Give me a break. Give me a break. Break me off a piece of that Kit Kat bar.
This week on Speed Week at 11 o'clock Eastern Time, Friday night, a complete wrap-up on all the activities at the Daytona 500. Speed Week, the motorsports coverage you deserve, Friday night at 11 o'clock Eastern Time.
You're watching ESPN, the Total Sports Network.
Time is one of the few things man cannot influence. We all have a desire to create something that will show we were here and did something of value. To create something timeless. Of course, timeless design is wasted if it cannot survive. This is why we race and test our cars so hard. The first Porsche, built in 1948, is still with us. Still clearly the inspiration for everything we have done. It will live on in all our cars.
So your little brother's joining us, huh?
He's not so little anymore.
all right, now let's move it!
He's what, 19?
Weight setting 540, F14.
Jeff's landing planes?
4-gear lens set.
No. $40 million jets.
Today's Navy. High-tech training that takes you only one way. Full speed ahead.
Primary's off.
Good job, guys. You and the Navy!
Jeff?
See? He's not so little anymore.
Full speed ahead!
Hold it, ho, ho, ho. So you're gonna finally meet Cindy, huh?
Tonight. Good. So first impressions are very important.
I think.
Okay. Now imagine, lights are low, the music's soft. Knock the door opens up. Somebody's out there doing this.
What is this? She's got dandruff?
No, you have dandruff.
No,
yes, you
I
do.
shampoo every day.
You could shampoo your brains out with regular shampoo. Wouldn't matter.
Brains out?
Yeah, well, so use that.
Head and Shoulders? Works for me, my friend. But you don't have dandruff.
Exactamundo!
Head and Shoulders, because you never get a second chance to make a first impression.
Get ready for a special Sports Illustrated sneak preview.
It's unreal. The man, it's like he's from another planet.
You never know what he's gonna do. He doesn't even know. He just does it, and you're like,
duh. They just saw an amazing video cassette presented by Sports Illustrated, starring the most exciting figure in sports today.
Who else? Jordan.
Unbelievable.
Yeah, he's unbelievable.
Michael Jordan, Come Fly With Me 1990. Over 40 minutes of the game's ultimate playmaker. Yours free with your paid subscription to SI.
Yes!
Call toll-free and get 26 issues of SI at over 45% off the cover price.
I didn't realize you could save that much.
Including SI's blockbuster baseball preview, the giant 35th anniversary covers issue, and the red hot swimsuit issue.
so what's the catch?
No catch. You get it all for just 3 monthly installments of $12.97 each. Even use your credit card.
Golden. Let's do it.
Save over 45% and get the Jordan video free.
You're going to be giving away a lot of these babies, starting right here.
Leader. Goes at the buzzer. Hodge is on the win. Got it. South Alabama wins it.
Nothing beats the excitement of Championship Week, starting March 3rd live on ESPN.